Welcome to Real Estate IQ Wisdom for Smart Moves. Featuring Gagan Sandhu, the co-founder and CEO of Xillion.
And how do you stay on top of the ever-changing trends in real estate?
I think real estate is, fortunately, it's not as dynamic as, let's say, the stock market, right? But still, all economic aspects are connected to each other. How we stay on top of it is we actually have tools that help us stay. So we recently launched a product we call it Xillion Terminal. It helps anyone take a look at overall economy. For instance, jobless claims versus home sales. How are they related, right? Do they relate like this or do they relate like this, right? So we, just because we are in this space, we are almost on top of things. But the way we do it is we actually see how things are changing, whether it's, for instance, tax structures change. During the 2017 tax reform, certain things changed. So we know that over time, as tax things and certain state legislations change over time as well. So we make those adjustments accordingly. Every year, as the income tax marginal tax rate goes up or down, we make those adjustments because that can change your the math, whether to invest or not, and also the interest rates. That usually is the biggest variable for real estate, and we are always keeping track of that and making sure our customers have the latest information in their calculations so that they can make the most informed decision.
Check the full episode on our YouTube channel and on Apple Podcast.